here at Green Hills to canvas for a laptop. It's actually my first time here, so let's go check it out. Ayan, nahanap na rin namin yung shop na nakita namin sa TikTok. Ito agad yung unang na-recommend sa amin, Lenovo IdeaPad Core i5. Naka 1 TB storage na. Finally, na-secure na natin for only 33,000 pesos! Dito pala yan sa Street Gadget Hub. Super recommended place kung naghahanap kayo ng reliable second-hand laptops. After nun, dumiretso na kami sa Ayala Malls, Vermosa para mag-dinner. Medyo ginabi na rin kami ng dating. We decided to eat at Italianis. First time ko rito, so let's go check out the food.